everyone, my name is Joy and I'm a freelance makeup artist in New York, and today I'm going to show you how to wear sparkling makeup during the day. So a few things that you're going to need are your brushes, and today we're going to use a shimmery eyeshadow. So we're going to add a little bit of sparkle to the look by using this pink shimmer powder. We're going to dip our fluffy brush in, tap off, and we're just going to lightly dust, starting from the base up to the crease. And we're going all the way up to the crease because this is going to be a single color look. Using the fluffy brush because we want to deposit just a little bit because it is very glittery and shimmery. Okay. So then, because we're doing a single color, I'm going to take just a little bit and focus on dabbing it in the center and a little bit in the inner corner, just to accentuate those two areas. If you choose to, you can take a smaller brush, like this one here, and even add a little bit underneath the eye. So open, okay. You just press gently underneath, staying close to that lash line. And it's not a very precise look. I just want you to look lightly dusted with your shimmer. Going up under the eye there, making sure that both sides have just about equal coverage. And there you have your daytime glitter look. Thank you guys for watching. Have fun with your makeup. I'm Joy, and have a good day.